How to make a hair website on Shopify. Hello beautiful people, I'm Jason and I'll be showing you how to make a hair dropshipping website real quick on Shopify. The first thing you'll need to do is go onto shopify.com, and from there you can sign up for free using your email address. I won't hustle or draw out the video by showing you how to do that, as it is quite beginner friendly and easy to do. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page, and the first thing we're going to do is find the product that we plan on selling. After we have found the product, I'll be showing you how to customize or how to better make your Shopify store look, or how to customize the appearance. So the website that I would recommend that you give a look is AliExpress, and with AliExpress you'll be able to drop ship different hair. So all you'll have to do is go onto aliexpress.com, and from here I simply typed in hair for this example, and you can see the different hair that they provide, and you can also see the estimated price. So all you'll have to do is tap on any particular one that you like. After you have selected it, a new page will open up, and from here you can see the estimated price, and you can also see the different inches right there. So you'll be able to gauge the price and see how much profit you think you can make based on the price that AliExpress is selling it for. And you can also scroll down, and from here you could enter your shipping address. For example, you can see that it ships to this section in United States. This is the beauty about majority of these stuff, is you are able to ship them for free. The only pullback would be is the shipping time, which is why you can also explore different drop shipping options. But for starters, you could get started with AliExpress. And now, how to add AliExpress products to your Shopify store. The first thing you will need to do is go over to the bottom left hand corner, and you are going to select settings. After selecting settings, you are going to scroll down a bit, and from the left hand menu option you are going to tap on apps and sales channel. After selecting apps and sales channel, I want you to tap on Shopify App Store. After selecting Shopify App Store, from here you are going to tap on, just let me confirm this real quick. From here you are going to tap on the search bar right here, and all I want you to do is type in Dizer, that is D-S-E-R. So you are going to type in D-S-E-R in the search bar, Dizers. Then you are going to select Dizers AliExpress Dropshipping. And this is an app that you can use on the free plan, or if you want you can upgrade. And all you're going to do is tap on Install App. Once you have installed the app, you can sign up using your email address. And as you can see, you can get started for free, and you'll be able to bulk order, also basic mapping, and manage 3 stores and over 3,000 products. And if in the future you want to upgrade, you can upgrade. Once you have downloaded Dizer and you have gone through the sign up process, and as I said, it is very straightforward to sign up. I won't draw out the video going through the sign up process. So the first thing you want to do is dive into Dizer, as you can see I'm doing right now. Once on the Dizer dashboard, as you can see right here, all I want you to do is go over to the left hand menu option, and right where you see import list, you're going to tap right there. After tapping on import list, you're going to go over to the top right hand corner, right where you see import or search. Then from here, let's say for example we would like to add this here to our Shopify store. All you have to do is copy the URL. Then you would go back into Dizer, and you are going to paste the URL right here. Then you are going to tap on the search icon. After tapping on the search icon, you can see it right there. You can see it has been added right here. Now the first thing I want you to do before pushing it to our Shopify store, we are going to tap on the pencil icon that says edit product. After tapping on edit product, if you want you can change the title. So you could change the title right here. So I'll remove this section. Also, you can scroll down, and from here normally you'll be able to edit the tags. So to edit the tag or the variants, better yet, you can select variants right here. And let's say, for example, you don't want to push all 80 variants to your store. You can simply tick the ones that you would like to send, as you can see right here. And you can also edit the description. And you can also edit the images, as you can see right here. Once you are finished doing the changes, all you have to do is tap on Push to Shopify. And it will automatically push it to your Shopify store. So you are going to tap on Push to Shopify. Let me select Save. Then I'll tap on Push to Shopify again. And you can see Update Success. Once it has been pushed to Shopify, all you have to do now is simply close out of this section. And if we were to go back into our Shopify store, so let's go back into Shopify. And if we were to tap on Products in the top left hand corner, that's the third option. If I were to go onto Products, you will see the hair product right there, as you can see right here. So let's tap on it. And by the way, Dizer will be the app or the platform that we'll be using to do all of our drop shipping. So once you have made a sale, you will be able to go through or use Dizer to ship the item to the customer. Be sure to stick around until the end. Once you have done that, as you can see right here, let us go back and look on how our product page looks. So I'll go back into Shopify, and you can see right here, you can change the title if you want. You can scroll down and you could change the description if you want. And you can also choose which image you would like to be the main image. But I think that one looks good. And again, you can see the different variants right here. And you could tap on Edit if you would like to remove any one of the variant. Now, when you go down to the prices right here, all you have to do is tap on Edit. After tapping on Edit, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. And from here, you're going to scroll down and you'll be able to select the price. So let's say, for example, as you can see, we purchased these for $8. So we are going to be selling them, let's say, for example, for $16. So we'll type in $16 right there. And you can see the cost price. So we'll put cost price $8. And you can see the profit would be 50%. And you can also scroll down, and as I said, Dizers will be doing the fulfillment. And you can see the amount available on hand, as you can see right there. You can scroll down and you can see right there, apply weight. We'll leave that as is at the moment, and we're going to tap on Save. And you could do the changes or adjust the prices for all variants. So all you'll have to do is tap on variants right here. And after tapping on variants, you'll be able to adjust the price. So you can adjust the price going right down. Once you have made all of the changes, you can simply go back. And another thing that you'll need to do, you're going to go over again to the left-hand menu option. And after going over to the left-hand menu option, what I want you to do is tap right where you see Settings in the bottom left-hand corner. After tapping on Settings, you're going to go right where you see Shipping and Delivery. And after tapping on Shipping and Delivery, what you're going to need now, you're going to need to set up shipping. So you can see right here, General Shipping Rates. You're going to tap right where you see Manage. After tapping on Manage, you're going to scroll down. And from here, you will see the shipping zone. So you can now set up the shipping rate, how much you like to charge for shipping, and so on. And also, if you would like to offer, for example, free shipping, I'll be showing you how to do that. But this is the section that you're going to be setting up the shipping rates. So you can set up your shipping rates right here. I've done videos showing in detail how to do this. If you're after setting up the shipping rates, the next thing you're going to do is tap on Payments from the left-hand menu option. After tapping on payments, from here you'll be able to set up the different payment options. So the first option is Shopify payments. All you'll have to do is tap on payment setup, and from there you'll need to set up your payment setup. So you'll be able to set these up so you can start receiving payments. So you can start receiving Visa payment, or if you want to use Shop Pay or Apple Pay, you can set up all of these options so you can start receiving money. And you can also scroll down and you can set up PayPal right here, so you can add your PayPal account. You can also add an Amazon Pay account depending on where you are located. And by the way, if you would like to add more payment options, all you have to do is tap on Add Payment. Then from here, you could tap in the search bar. After tapping in the search bar, you can scroll down and you can search for the different payment options and select the particular one that you would like to use. So now that you have set up the payment options and you have also set up the shipping options, I will be showing you how to edit your Shopify store, the appearance of your Shopify store better yet. So the first thing you'll need to do, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option again, and from here, right where you see online store, you're going to tap on that. After you have tapped on online store, you will automatically be redirected to the themes page. Once on the theme page, you can scroll down and you are going to tap on customize. And by the way, if you would like to choose a different theme, you can also scroll down and you can choose from the popular free themes. As you can see right here, you could look on the different themes and select one. But for this example, I'll continue with the Dawn theme, so I'm going to tap on customize. After selecting customize, you will be redirected to the editor page, and from here you'll be able to start editing the appearance of your Shopify store. You'll be able to make any changes you want, and to get an image banner is quite easy. All you'll have to do is go into Canva, as I would recommend canva.com, and from there you'll be able to find numerous other image banners that you can quickly edit and customize for your store. But for this example, I'll use one of the free images. Just for example's sake, you can see how it looks right there, as Shopify provides you with different free images that you can also use. So you can simply upload an image. Let me select that one again and just leave it and use it as is. So I'll be using this one. So I'll tap on select. After you have selected it, you can scroll down and you can also add a second image if you want. And you can also change the banner size if you want. As you can see right there, I could make it small. If you want it medium, I can put it at medium. At the moment, I will be leaving it at small, as you can see right there. And you can also change the text style and all of that. It is quite easy to do. And once you're editing an image, I would recommend that you use Canva, as it is completely free. And also, if you would like to do editing in the header section, you can. And you can also hide any section by simply tapping right where you see the eye icon. As you can see right there, it hides the section. And to edit the featured section is quite easy. All I have to do is tap on the section. Then if you would like to add a product, you'll tap on select product. After tapping on select product, you could search for the product. But because I did not publish the product earlier, it wouldn't be here. So you'll have to publish the product for it to be available. So that's how you'll be able to add a product. And after you're finished, all you'll do is tap in the top right here where you see home page. And you could select products. And after selecting products, you can tap on default product. And from there, you'll be able to edit the product page if you want. But to do all of those changes, the first thing you will need to do is publish the product. And that's it. Once you have published it, there are numerous different platforms that you can promote your Shopify products on. For example, you could go onto Pinterest, as Pinterest is one of the best and most underrated free traffic source. As you can see right here, this person, all they do is post images, And if you were to go onto their Pinterest page, you can see that they are getting a good amount of views. As you can see, they are getting over 10 million monthly views on Pinterest. So you can just imagine the amount of sales that they are making. And all they are doing is posting different images, and they are simply leaving their website link. So you can use different pages like these for example and motivation. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.